What's up, survivors? It's your sister Soul Survivor, and we're back. I'm back with my hubby here, and we wanted to share with you on how we have been getting along, getting through the grieving process after losing our fur baby, China Doll. So I'm here with my husband, Gary Speed. China Doll was more of Gary's dog because I came into China Doll's life a little later. He had her for 16 years. The life expectancy of a Chihuahua is 16 to 20 years, and she lasted it's 12 to 20 years, and she lasted 16 years. So I wanted my husband to share a little bit by lighting a candle. Go ahead, baby, light the candle. We lit the candle right on the day that she transitioned because she was a part of our family, and we still wanted to honor her. So we wanted to share today how we have been getting through the grieving process, my husband. So China Doll was more of his dog more than mine because I came into her life later, like I said. So, baby, share with the survivors how you've been getting along through the grieving process.
Well, I ain't got to worry about waking up and looking after her at this moment. I miss her. But, I ain't got to worry about that cough no more because she was coughing and it kind of scared me because, she had to, rest in peace. Mm-hmm. And she was coughing. That's the only way I can understand is she needed to go to the bathroom because she got blind. Mm-hmm. And she didn't, and she got cancer, not cancer, but, she just got an aphid heart thing and the throat was narrow and
she had a lot of issues.
Not to do nothing with her, even though they gave me medication to put in her food to help her, and it worked. It worked for a minute, and then all of a sudden it just come to an end, And I loved her as much as I loved, my other dog, Champagne. So we had to bury her a few years before China passed away.
Yeah. China Doll, she had narrowing of the vocal cords. She had AFib. She had a lot of the things, because animals have the same diseases and illnesses as humans. And so she had high blood pressure. She was going blind. She was suffering out. And I just knew. I knew my husband was just wanting to hold on to her.
Yeah.
And I told him, I said, when it's my time to go, don't let me suffer out like that, please. Because she suffered.
That's a hard thing. You can't say that. You just
baby, don't let me suffer out like that. You let her suffer. And I wanted to put her down. I was going to put her down, sneak and do it, but I knew it would have hurt him.
Joe would have.
See, I wanted to be, but I didn't want her to suffer, y'all. It was like
I'm the one
she was
took
done.
Care of her. I took care of her.
Yeah, he did.
Till the end. I told my wife, let her live her own breath, her last breath, and let her go on her last breath.
Oh, so
don't
hard.
Shut her breath down because you shut her breath down like they blame me for doing champagne like that.
Yeah. Well,
even though I know I touched the dog, shook the dog.
He started digging a hole for Champagne before Champagne was gone. But he said that she was dead. She was gone.
That's false information.
But it was crazy with China, because China started running into walls. Yeah. She had to go back to the laundry room to get to her food, so she started running into walls because she was blind. She was going blind. And she suffered out. At night, she would have this hackling cough.
Yep, and I thought it was Uncle Norman. I don't know I ain't know who woke me up, Uncle Norman or her. If both of them coughing, then I know they're alive. But
Uncle Norman had his cough, and Champagne had this annoying like China. She was gasping with China. China had this hackling cough like she was on her last breath, but it would wake us up. So she was suffering, I was suffering. I felt like I was suffering, and it seemed like you was grieving before she even left, baby.
Well, the only thing I can say right now, and up to date, she must have had a coronavirus because it come from China.
Stop. He ain't got no sense. Y'all, my husband is gone. He's another rambling. Stop. See, you got me over here coughing and hackling, see?
I got to quarantine you then.
Yeah. I just got over the flu, y'all, so please excuse me, but it's been crazy around here. But our baby, we lit a candle for her in the hospital, Putnam City, North Animal Hospital, where she used to go. And, you know, we would take her there when we go on vacations, because he didn't trust family members to take care of her.
That's right.
That's how much he really took good care of China.
Come back out of town saying my dog ran out the street and got hit by a car.
See how
everybody always say that for an excuse, even though something else happened.
He took good care of China. He did. And that was the way when I was dating him, that's how I determined how he took care of China. I thought, if you can take care of a dog like this, I know he can take good care of me, you know, because his mother wasn't living and his siblings, they don't live here. So I just knew. I was like, ooh, that's how I based, you know, and how I saw his big heart for a dog. You know, how if you can love on a dog like that, you love on me and you have, baby. But
well, I mean,
this chick was spoiled. She was spoiled. And to be truthful with you, I was a little jealous of her, just a little. But I was, because we would be hanging out, and then he said, I got to go back and put my dog up. I said, put the dog up. We out having a good time. It's getting dark. Yeah, it's time, China. I got to go put China up. I'm like, what do you got to put China up for?
Oh, yeah.
It's a dog. Why can't you just stay outside? Really? We out here having a good time, and you got to go back and put China up.
The reason why I said that, because we had China and champagne, and me and my wife went to see Bill Cosby or one of these plays down at the Civic Center, and I told her, let me put the dogs up. She said, oh, leave them alone. They dogs, they be all right. They in the yard. So we come back late at night, about 12 something. We looking for the dog, because we thought they'd be in the backyard. Dog gone.
Yeah,
we hollering all over. We can't find dog worth a dime. And I was mad at her. I was mad. I told you I should put them dogs.
One of them did get out.
And then come to find out, I can hear China barking around the corner, because we were around the cul-de-sac.
One of them did get out.
And when I called her name, she would bark, but she didn't know where she was. Until I finally got close to her and I seen her. I said, come here, girl. Then I got her. But then now I'm looking for Champagne, because I know Champagne, the master, she's somewhere close by. Because she know everything. Come to find out, I could not find no Champagne. And I had to go to sleep on that.
Yeah,
and I was hurt. And then all of a sudden, the lady and them came and ringed on our doorbell and said, is this y'all dog? And we were like, yeah. You know, she said, we had it, you know, they had it in their laundry room. They said, she's a sweet dog. You know, I said, yeah. And they laid her in the laundry room and all that. And
overnight. She stayed overnight.
You think that was something? I let her back out the next day. She went out the gate and went back down to them people's house. And they brought her right back.
Very smart, Chihuahua. Very smart.
And I tore her little butt up that time. She never moved no more. Yeah. You know, like, you done lost your mind. I done fed you all these years. You gonna run over there and lay in somebody else's laundry room. Yeah. You know, what kind of stuff is that? You love their laundry than you love ours or something? Because we ain't gonna put you in no laundry bag. We gonna put you out there in that garage, in that bin, where a dog's supposed to be. Not in your house, in your bed and all that. I don't play that. They ain't gonna be licking me all in my face and all that. No, I don't play that.
Yeah.
No, dog lick themselves and all that. I ain't got time for that. So I'm just letting people out there know. Don't let a dog lick you all in
Wouldn't everybody love their fur baby the way they love you? You can't tell nobody how to love their fur baby. That was your.
Ain't no dog licking me in my face.
Okay.
I throw that out there.
Okay. We got it.
That's just a lesson for dogs. And you gotta remember, if you want to raise a dog, you like raising a child. You gotta spend money. You ain't gonna spend money, leave the dog alone.
Oh. Now that's a word for those young babies that need to hear that. That think they so cute and precious. Oh, I want a dog, mama. I want a dog, daddy. Hey, it's a big responsibility. You got vet costs.
You got food costs.
Food costs.
And medicine costs.
Medicine costs. Grooming costs.
Yep.
What else? Costs. It never ends. So, and plus you have to be responsible with taking care of your pet.
Yeah.
But anyway, I just wanted to share with this card with Putnam City North Animal Hospital sent China Dog, sent us after China Dog passed away. We understand how difficult it is to say goodbye. We know how special your pet was to you, and we share in your sorrows. That was so nice of them.
And they were really nice.
They took care of her for 16 years, so that was thoughtful of them.
They knew her and they loved her and everything, and they knew me like a book.
Yeah.
Mr. Speed, it's time for this. Mr. Speed, it's time for
and
this.
he stayed on it. But what I wish I would have did, because my husband just had a birthday, and if your pet is on their way out, like suffering or whatever, the doctor gave you a diagnosis and said they won't be around long. A way to heal is to take the animal's prints and get the prints and put it on some dog tags, whether it's a dog or a cat. Get a necklace and keep it close to your heart. That'll help you heal. And another thing that you can do to do keepsakes for your animal, take pictures of them while they're maybe transitioning and on through however long you have, and get you a good quilt. Get your quilt made or make it yourself. It is very healing, and you just wrap your fur baby around you with that quilt and just love on them, allow them to love on you.
And another answer is never go try to get another animal to replace that animal, because it's not going to be the same, and you're going to have crying and sorrow and all that, because you're going to keep looking at that animal trying to make it match up with that other animal, and they're not going to do that. They're two different species.
Animals.
I mean, like two different human beings. You can't go marry another person and think they're going to be that same person.
And sometimes that might be a way for somebody to heal, by getting another animal. But, some people may need to get through the grieving process. Make a decision. I would say give it a year at least if you're going to get another fur baby. Give it a year so get through your grieving process or whatever you may be going through, or just give it time. Give yourself time to just.
To me, I retired. I retired for dog patrol, and I'm also going to say this: what the man said when the dog jumped off the cliff. He said, "Dog gone."
Dog.
So, let it be gone. I ain't trying to.
But just make you some keepsakes to keep near and dear to your heart. All those that animals transition here recently, or you've been grieving for a while. Make some keepsakes to keep close to your heart. Okay. Until next time, I'm Sista-SoulSurvivor, and love on yourself and love somebody else. We love you. Wadu. Mwah.
Wadu.
All right, survivors, on the count of 3, this is for China. February the 6th, China transition. All right, we're releasing the balloons, 49er style. All right.
1, 2, 3.
All right, China. Join rank with the rest of the ancestor pets. We love you. We'll see you on the other side, baby. Tell Champagne we said hey. All righty. Gone, gone, gone. Our baby, rest in peace. Rest in heaven. Rest in dog heaven, China. We love you. We miss you. We know there's greater things that's happening on the other side. And we'll see you when we get there. Ciao, China.